Well,
all right, so this was my first hard hat when I first started at the shipyard. It fell off the couch. We were looking at it and set it aside, and it fell off the couch, and my new puppy, Riley, is terrified because it fell off the couch. So we're going to put it down here next to Riley. Riley, it's okay. It's okay. It's my Shop 56 hat. Look, it's okay, see? It's just a hat. It's all right.
I gotta talk to you about the nude scene.
I need that permit to shoot on Main Street. I need to speak to you. I'll speak to him if you can't find him.
It's okay. It's just a hat, honey. It's okay.
What's his name?
See?
You gotta do
It just fell off the couch, that's all. It's okay.
Mr. Bailey.
Come here.
Mr. Bailey. Mr. Bailey.
Come here,
Price.
Riley.
I'm going to be your director.
Riley.
I have to tell
Come here.
you, I cannot
Riley.
express to you how happy.
Riley, come here. Come here, boy.
Phone call. I'm with the mayor.
Riley, come here.
Yes, can I speak to my wife,
Riley.
please?
Riley, come.
No,
Riley.
Firehouse in New Hampshire.
What'll happen if I put your bone on the hat? Look at this. Riley. Riley.
Why would they be illegal?
Here, we'll put it right here. Look. Riley, it's your bone. Riley. 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 Come here. Look, your bone's on the hat.
Very kind of you. As a
See?
matter of fact,
Come here.
I hate to bother you with this.
Come
We
here.
need the shooting permit from
Riley.
Main Street.
Riley, come here.
The city council.
Riley. Riley. Come here, boy.
It is.
Yeah, I am the city council.
Come here. Riley, come here.
Mr. Mayor, that's very kind of you.
Come here.
Would like to invite you to have
There
dinner
you
with us.
go. Where? Look, your bone's on it. Look.
And I hate to be a pain.
Oh, I would be delighted. Are you kidding me?
Well,
You want nothing to do with that hat, huh?
I can't imagine the responsibility.